Hi, my name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis and also upload important market related information. And please do not mind because I do not have any professional fancy setup. I'm just doing this from the comfort of my couch. So without any delay, let's get started. So I have the chart of Australian dollar and Canadian dollar in front of me, and you can see on the screen that I am using a candlestick chart and 4 hours time frame. I am just using a single indicator, my favorite indicator, and that is stochastic RSI indicator. Okay, so in the 4 hours chart we can see that there is a big resistance here. The big resistance is here. So this is the resistance zone. And is there a support zone? Yes, there is a support zone also. The support zone is here. So this is the support zone and this is the resistance zone. And there are minor resistances also. The minor resistances here. See, there are many touches here, so this is a minor resistance. Actually, not that minor also. Okay, and right now it's trading at 0.9799. So right now I'll say that if you want to trade, okay, if you want to trade this Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, then just be cautious because there is not much movement, and the stochastic RSI indicator is also indicating that the market is in overbought territory. So there is a high chance that it will come down for some rest. So if you're right now in a trade, then be cautious, and if you're planning to take a trade on this particular currency pair, uh, Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, then what you can do, I'll say that the best position to take trade or the safest position to take trade will be here when the price will touch this particular point. You just need to observe the candlestick pattern. If it shows some rejection from above, then yes, you can short, and if it doesn't show some reversal, then you don't need to short the market. Then if there is a breakout, then yes, you can go long. And on the other hand, if it comes down, and if it comes down to this particular support zone or this particular price level, then yes, you can go long if there is a rejection from below. Okay, just to be clear, let me show you here. See, after reaching this particular support zone, say there are rejection from below. Price tried to go down on multiple occasions, but it did not go down, and ultimately it started going up. And we also got the confirmation from stochastic RSI. Yes, see, market was in oversold territory. So whenever market is in oversold territory and market is getting support, there is a high chance that market will go up, and the same thing happened here also. So right now I'll say that yes, if you are in a trade, then I'll say that if you're right now in a trade, then this should be your first target. Okay, this should be your first target. Market may come down from this particular point also if there is not much pressure from the bulls, not much support from the bulls, I would rather say. And on the other hand, this will be your ultimate price target as of now. Otherwise otherwise the safest position to initiate a trade would be here to short the market if it shows some rejection like this. And on the other hand, if it goes down also, then we can initiate the trade if it takes support from here. And yes, do not forget to take the confirmation with the help of candlestick. And if you are familiar with the stochastic RSI indicator, yes, you can use stochastic RSI indicator to identify the oversold and overbought zones. And let me switch to 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame is also telling us a similar picture. This is the resistance zone and this is the support zone. Okay, so the picture is very clear to us now that yes, this is the support, this is the resistance, and because this was a support, and again it has taken support here, and see this particular price may be a pain for the traders who are um, in a trade right now. So this is it with the Australian or Canadian dollar analysis. Hopefully you all have understood. So good luck. And if you have liked this video and found it informative, then please like the video and share your views on the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn the art of trading like a professional trader, we have courses, and also we conduct 5 days monthly workshop where we teach you how to trade in real time and how to read charts, chart patterns, market psychology, strategies, and many more. We also provide daily Forex buy and sell signals with more than 80% accuracy for free of cost if you open an account with us. For more information, please visit the website www.abhilashhajarika.com. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.